What's up, tech lovers? Great to have you back. Let's jump right into today's fascinating tech discovery. Today, we're going to explore an innovative product that's perfect for anyone looking to add a little fun and functionality to their daily lives. Say hello to the Memoking T02 mini printer, a sticker printer that's about to revolutionize the way you create and share content on the go. This tiny printer is packed with features that make it an absolute must-have for kids, students, and even professionals. So, let's dive in and see what makes this mini printer so special. First off, the Memoking T02 mini printer is incredibly compact and portable. Weighing in at just 150 and measuring half the size of a phone, this printer is easy to take with you wherever you go. Whether you're a student looking to print out study notes, a traveler wanting to capture memories, or a professional needing to print out business cards, this printer is the perfect companion. And with its rechargeable battery, you can print to your heart's content without worrying about running out of power. The fact that it's so small and lightweight makes it perfect for on-the-go printing, and the convenience it offers is undeniable. One of the standout features of the Memoking T02 mini printer is its ease of use. Connecting to your iOS or Android device via Bluetooth is a breeze, and the accompanying app offers a wealth of features to help you customize your prints. With 9 powerful features at your fingertips, you can combine text, pictures, tables, emojis, and even QR codes to create unique and personalized sticker prints. The app also offers hundreds of templates and graphics, making it easy to get creative and make your prints stand out. And with features like OCR and Scan, you can convert your daily life into editable digital formats, making it easier to stay organized and focused. Whether you're a student looking to print out flashcards or a professional wanting to create custom business cards, the possibilities are endless. The Memoking T02 mini printer is also an excellent tool for students of all ages. As a sticky note printer, it's perfect for printing out study notes, flashcards, and diagrams, making it an essential back-to-school supply. The scan function is particularly useful, allowing you to print out study graphics clearly and easily. And with its ability to print out micro letters, banners, and even web pages, this printer is a game changer for students looking to stay on top of their schoolwork. Whether you're in elementary school, high school, or college, this printer is a must-have for anyone looking to make learning more fun and engaging. But the Memoking T02 mini printer isn't just limited to students. Its versatility makes it an excellent tool for professionals, small business owners, and even DIY enthusiasts. With its ability to print out to-do lists, shopping lists, and delivery addresses, this printer is perfect for staying organized and on top of your work. And with its ability to print out company logos, bookmarks, and greeting cards, you can add a personal touch to your business and personal correspondence. Whether you're looking to print out labels, stickers, or even art projects, this printer is the perfect tool for anyone looking to add a little creativity to their daily lives. In conclusion, the Memoking T02 mini printer is an incredible device that's packed with features and functionality. Whether you're a student, professional, or just someone looking to add a little fun to your daily life, this printer is a must-have. With its compact size, ease of use, and versatility, it's the perfect tool for anyone looking to stay organized, creative, and connected. So what are you waiting for? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Memoking T02 mini printer today and start printing your way to a more fun and productive life.